Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Paybis wallet from your iPhone. So keep watching the video till the end without skipping in order to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to log into your Paybis wallet application using iPhone, first make sure that you've downloaded the Paybis wallet app on your mobile device. If not, go tap Open App Store. In the search box, type in Paybis and perform your search. Once you find this application in the search result, tap on the download button or the install button and get the application downloaded on your mobile device. Once you download the application, tap Open. This is the main interface as soon as you open up your Paybis wallet app. Now, in order to log into your account, tap the hamburger menu located at the upper right-hand corner. Right at the top, you'll be able to see two options. If you've not signed up or registered for your Paybis wallet yet, tap the sign up button and follow the instructions. If you already have an existing account and you'd like to log in, tap the login button. You can log into your Paybis wallet with a code or by typing in your email followed by your password. Select any one option that is right for you. Let me select with code. Enter your email address in the email tab. Make sure to enter the same email address that you registered with for Paybis. Once you type in your email, tap the login button. Now, in order to get access to your account, you'll need to enter the code that has been sent to your email address. Simply open up your email app and you'll receive an inbox from Paybis. Tap it open and it will display you your verification code. Simply copy the code and go back to the login page for Paybis. Enter the code in the blank text boxes that you just copied and you'll be logged into your Paybis wallet app right away. That is how you can easily log into your Paybis wallet app using your iPhone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.